Definitely the factory clutch.
Oh, it's rusty as shit.
So rusty.
Can you imagine what the burn marks and everything are going to look like on the flywheel and everything once we got it out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those threads are fine. It's just that bell housing, very soft aluminum, so looks like yeah, it wasn't so much dowel things, it was just the bottom bolts, just because we weren't using anything to tilt the motor. Anyway, persistence.
Yeah, she had a few little hot spots on it. Man. Previous owner did a pretty good number on this thing. Almost nothing left. Definitely needed the treatment. Job didn't go too bad. The biggest thing, we were kind of scared that a couple things are going to seize up on us, but we certainly did not expect the starter to seize in there. We had to beat the crap out of that with a hammer. The left front axle seized right in there, and the clutch, since it was the OEM clutch that was super old, that was seized right in there too. So, but anyway, with the new Stage 2 competition, it's actually not too bad. I was expecting the pedal to be a little bit stiffer, but it's actually a pretty smooth pedal. It engages quite nice. There's a good, decent spring to it, but no, the pedal's nice and smooth. It engages good, and I am very happy to have a clutch pedal that's finally actually engages as soon as you release the clutch pedal. The other one, it was literally right at the top of the pedal, and it just barely grabbed, so no, very happy with this one. We'll see how much power this thing can hold up. The break-in period's about 500 miles, so a little over, well, we'll say 1,000 kilometers. I'll drive it that slow for a little while, and then we'll get the tune done on it and see what this thing can handle. But stay tuned for future upcoming see how much we can end up getting done on this thing here shortly. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I appreciate it if you would.